I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you.
Hey guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another beauty video. It's been a while since I've done this and sobrang na-miss ko talaga yung gumagawa ng ganito. Medyo nag-focus lang kasi ako sa hosting and sa events, but now I'm trying to slowly get back to YouTube. And I hope andyan pa rin kayo para panoorin ang aking mga collagen reviews. So, if you've been my subscriber for a while now, you know that iba't ibang collagen na talaga yung na-try ko and nire-review ko talaga yon. So, nakatry na ako ng mga capsule na collagen, powder, yung naka-bottle, na iinumin mo na lang. Effervescent, na-try ko na rin yon, yung parang Berocca, tutunawin mo lang siya sa baso. But today, very, very unique yung i-review ko na collagen. Siguro, kaya din napag-desisyonan ko siyang i-review. Wait lang, bumababa yung mic ko. Naka-double-sided kasi siya, guys. Ayun, nasira na kasi yung clip niya. Anyway, ayan, I want to introduce this product to you guys. It is from Leave Balance. It's a collagen jelly. Meron din silang yung pangtanggal ng bloat. Kulay green naman yung box nun. And jelly type din siya. Pag-usapan natin yung active ingredients niya because as you know, I'm very, very particular about the active ingredients. So this one, sabi niya, meron siyang 4 types of collagen and meron din siyang 5,000 mg na collagen. So, ayan, patented fish collagen with hyaluronic acid, elastin, astaxanthin, and silk protein. So, yung isang box pala, guys, merong 5 jelly sticks. And this one is orange flavor. Pero, actually, parang siyang orange na may halong berry. Ganun yung lasa niya for me. Parang jelly ace talaga. And na-enjoy ko yung pag-take nito. Medyo natatempt ako na more than one yung i-take. Pero, 1 stick lang per day, guys. So, makikita mo dito sa likod, directions for use, take 1 jelly per day, preferably in the morning. Pero ako, ang ginagawa ko kasi is, kunyari may event ako ng nighttime. Like, a few hours before my event, doon ko siya iti-take. Alam niyo naman na yung collagen is not just a beauty product, diba? For health din siya. Si collagen kasi, aside sa skin, nails, and hair, it's also good for the joints. Yan. So, before my event and the day after, I like taking collagen because as you know, we're not getting any younger. This year, actually, 33 na ako. So, very fan na talaga ako ng mga anti-aging products. Okay, ngayon mag-deep dive pa tayo sa ingredients. Bukod dun sa mga nandito sa harap, check natin yung mga main ingredients niya sa likod. So, sabi, meron din siyang N-acetyl. Sikat to itong active ingredient na to. Lagi siyang hinahalo sa collagen and sa gluta. So, I think pampaputi siya. And then, hyaluronic acid. Meron din siyang patented salmon nasal cartilage extract, rose flowers extract, tomato extract, red algae, and silk protein. By the way, guys, ito pala yung stick niya. So, ayan, very, very handy siya. And kasyang-kasya siya. Gaano man ka-mini ang ating bags. You know, kasyang-kasya siya, diba? Very, very good siya for on-the-go like me. Na palagi nag-host or nag-shoot for contents. Actually, this one, I'm saving it kasi tomorrow, meron akong event. So, of course, kailangan fresh, ganyan. Ginamit ko din to recently nung nag-host ako ng Barbie party. Ginamit ko din to nung shoot ko for t-shirt ni Nepo Music Festival. Ito yung mga pruweba na ginagamit ko talaga siya. And ito yung mga pruweba na nakaka-fresh talaga siya. Anyway, overall, I really, really recommend this. Definitely, I will buy again. And baka i-try ko rin yung live enzyme jelly nila, which is pangtanggal naman ng bloat. So again, this one is not just anti-aging, it's also pampaputi. Ang price naman nito, guys, meron sila sa website, and meron din naman sila sa Shopee and Lazada. From 1,575, 1,225 na lang. 3 boxes to. So, 15 sticks na yung laman nito. So, makikita nyo rin dito, very, very detailed sila sa products nila. Reduce wrinkles and fine lines in 2 weeks. Kung ganon, mas maganda nga na 15 sticks na yung gamitin mo para ma-test mo siya for 2 weeks. So, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kahit short lang siya. and na-miss kong mag-review. Let me know if may gusto rin kayong ipa-review pa na products. Yan lang. Bye!